Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing your Bluetooth keyboard to the iPad. Do this now. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select the keyboard when it appears. Once paired, make sure the iPad shows connected and the keyboard layout matches your language. Mismatched layouts cause wrong characters. Keep the keyboard close and charged so signals stay stable. If you use a case-mounted keyboard, position it for a clear line of sight to avoid intermittent drops. After pairing, move straight to launching Roblox. Once paired, open the Roblox app and enter a game that supports keyboard controls. You'll notice WASD or arrow keys control movement in many games. Try typing into chat or input boxes to confirm. If the Roblox app ignores the keyboard, switch to Safari and request the desktop site to force web-based input. That often enables keyboard events more reliably. Make sure accessibility shortcuts or third-party keyboard apps aren't intercepting keys. Test movement and chat to confirm full functionality before continuing. To finish, open Roblox settings and adjust control bindings or sensitivity so keys behave as you expect. Make sure iPad language and keyboard layout match the physical keyboard. This prevents swapped characters. If input stops working, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, force quit Roblox, then restart the iPad and repair the keyboard. This clears many connection and focus issues. If problems persist, update both iPad OS and Roblox, and try a different Bluetooth keyboard to isolate whether the keyboard or the app is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.